Hello everybody, welcome to the first video of the Neuroscience Club. My name is Cesar Contreras, the club president, and today we're going to talk about the most fascinating human organ, the human brain. The human brain works by a brilliant electrochemical system called your nervous system. This system has two divisions, which are your central nervous system, which is the brain and spinal cord, and then you have your peripheral nervous system, which are the peripheral nerves which are found in the extremities of your body. Today we're going to talk about the specific building blocks of this system, which are the neurons. Neurons are nerve cells. They are specialized cells in your central nervous system that function by relaying messages to each other, to other 86 billion neurons. I mean, are you kidding me? That is insane. They relay messages to each other in order to carry specific functions such as talking, speaking, etc. What happens is that they do this by the following way. They get information from the environment and then they process it in the brain. So then your brain can process it, can see what type of stimulus is it, to they create an output. Moving on, there are three types of neurons. Your sensory neurons, which are the ones that are going to get the information from the environment throughout your senses, which are hearing, touching, seeing, tasting, and smell. Also, then you have your motor neurons, which are going to be the ones that are going to have the information to create an output. So move a muscle, create a facial expression, etc. And then also you have your interneurons, which are intermediate neurons that are going to relay messages to, like, for example, from sensory neurons to motor neurons. So we say that neurons function by relaying messages to each other. But how do they do this exactly? Let's put an example. Imagine that you touch with your finger a candle on fire. Your afferent nerves in your finger, afferent nerves meaning that they are peripheral nerves within your extremities of your body. And these ones will get that information from your finger and will send this information via an electrical impulse to a sensory neuron in your spinal cord. So with the help of interneurons, the same information can be passed to a motor neuron within your spinal cord, so the impulse can travel via an efferent nerve. An efferent nerve meaning that it is a peripheral nerve that is going to transmit an electrical impulse from your brain and spinal cord to the extremities of your body. Brain is extremities to your brain and spinal cord, efferent nerve, brain and spinal cord to extremities. The impulse is going to travel via an efferent nerve to your finger, so you can move your finger away from the fire. It is really important to consider that other interneurons instead will send this information, instead of sending it to the extremities of the body so you can move your finger away. The information will be passed from the spinal cord to your brain in order for the brain to process the information of the specific stimulus that you are presented with. So for example, in this case, the brain will say, oh, this stimulus is hot, it is fire. Okay, so the brain has recognized that it's stimulus. Neurons communicate with each other via what is called an action potential. And by definition, an action potential is the change in electrical potential associated with the passage of an impulse along the membrane of a nerve cell. Whoa, chill. Like, that definition is pretty complex, right? But it is not. We're going to put it simple. Check this out.